Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please leave your thumbs up, leave your comments. Please subscribe to my channel and share this video out. It would help me tremendously. Also, my stun gun link is in the description below. Please check it out. I've got more than stun guns there, y'all. Be sure and go check it out. Okay, y'all, it looks like they're getting ready to vote on the skinny bill. The Republican skinny bill is set to be voted on this next week. But you know, the Republicans can vote on it all they want to. It won't pass the House until they approve it. And I really don't see the House approving this. So it's like everything else that's happened. It's just dead in the water. Mitch McConnell said that he is ready to see stimulus checks and a proper unemployment boost and more money for PPP. It looks like to me the Mooch man is having a change of heart, or is it that he is getting worried about his job? Y'all let me know what you think it is. I'm leaning towards he's getting worried about his job. Marco Rubio said that it is likely we won't see a stimulus check until October. Y'all, every one of them has got their own opinions. Just remember, when people say stuff like this, like Marco Rubio has said this, remember, he's just one person. He's one piece in the puzzle. Mark Meadows said that it is very likely for President Trump to do more executive orders. The one that he's got his eye on right now is preventing the airlines from laying off workers. As you know, they got bailed out, and one of the stipulations was they couldn't lay off employees for a certain period of time. That time has passed. So if Donald Trump wants to prevent layoffs, he better do something fast, because up until the time that he actually passes another executive order, they can lay off as many people as they want to, and it'll be legal. So if he wants to stop that, he needs to pass that order today. But now he needs to be ready to prop them up again, because if they don't have the money to pay their employees, I don't see their employees working for free. Y'all please subscribe to my channel, leave me a thumbs up, leave me your comments. I do read them all, and please check out my websites in the description below. I've got a new book out, and I also got my stun guns. Be sure and check them out. Go look at that book. It might be something you want. I love you all. Ciao.